At Norland, the safety and well-being of our staff, students and wider community is a top priority. We've put in place a range of safety measures to ensure our students continue to receive the highest standards of training, for which we're world famous. We've adapted the way we teach by introducing a blend of face-to-face on-site and virtual teaching methods. As a small, specialised institution, we're able to provide the vast majority of our teaching face-to-face, on-site. We've introduced different social distancing measures to help mitigate the risk of transmission. We've redesigned our timetable to ensure only one year group will be on site at a time, half the size of our already small teaching groups, and created bubble teaching rooms. Staff, students and visitors will check their temperature before entering buildings and will follow a new entrance and exit flow system on campus. We've installed protective screens to reduce the risk of transmission in all our public areas, teaching rooms and office space. All indoor spaces will be well ventilated and we'll use outdoor spaces for teaching where possible. We've established quarantine measures for those travelling from overseas. All staff and students will be given a specially created personal protective equipment pack, including face mask and visors, antibacterial wipes, sanitizer and a digital thermometer. Accommodation will be deep cleaned, and our buildings, workstations and practical equipment will be frequently and thoroughly cleaned. Students will continue to have placements in schools, nurseries and with families. We've introduced safety risk assessment procedures to ensure safe working practices for all, including a system of self-isolation when necessary. We've created an outbreak response plan in partnership with the Director of Public Health. Staff and students will maintain their vigilance and compliance with all risk mitigation measures both on and off campus in order to protect the local community, including social distancing and test and trace. Any breach of these measures will also be considered a breach of the Norland Code of Professional Responsibilities. We will continue to strongly encourage students to walk or cycle where possible, and we've increased access to cycle stands. Staff and students will always wear face coverings on public transport and use hand sanitizers before and after travel. Students who are self-isolating will not be allowed to travel home, and household bubbles will be required to agree house visitors in line with guidance. We recognise the ongoing importance of supporting our staff and students. We will continue to provide a wide range of practical, well-being and mental health support services through our outstanding support service, including counselling consultations and 24/7 online support through Together All. We will continue to monitor the latest information and guidance, adapting our safety measures accordingly, and continue to keep the Norland community updated. Our safety measures mean we can continue to provide exceptional early years education and training, while helping to keep our staff, students and the wider community safe and well.